everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to reconcile easily in Excel. So at the end of this tutorial you're going to learn how you can avoid reconciling using the traditional way of paperwork and advance by using Excel, because technology is here to help us and make our work easier. So what I need to do from this data, I want us to match whatever we have on the debit side. We should have the same figure on the credit side. For example, here we have that 2 to 50. On the credit side, we still have the same figure. So whichever value doesn't have a partner, then if I can use such a word, it's a reconciling item. So we are going to differentiate whatever has reconciled using a cell color. And what I mean is, for example, let's pick this figure and then come here under home tab and give it a cell color of red. And then we should also highlight the same on the credit side, because now both of them are matching or they have a partner. So but to avoid all this clicking and then coming here, selecting, and then coming here again, selecting the cell color, there's an easier way of doing this. So what you need to do is to select the cell that has the color that you want to use, and then under the home tab, click here, click this icon, format painter. So double click on it, and then while you're reconciling, when you just click a value, for example 29, it just changes the color. Okay, 29 here, so you can see it's easier. 33,500, 33,500 is there, 32,600, 32,600. So it makes your work very easy when reconciling, and you're even able to avoid much of the paperwork. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you on our next tutorial. Bye.